guys, welcome to my channel. So today it's gonna be a Halloween makeup tutorial, and today we're gonna make this traditional, really common to see in Halloween. Of course, the wolf is going to be inside of us, and if you're new to this channel, you just click to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Of course, I'm going to start with the eyebrows. I chose the left side of my brow because that's the perfect one. So I'm doing this side a perfect makeup look. And I'm going to start with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. As you guys can see, I use more than what you would usually use. And of course, it's because we're doing a Halloween makeup tutorial. After that, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Eye Cream and Concealer. And you guys know this is just to cover a little bit more my dark circles. I was editing this and I was like, why did I do the other side? The other side is going to be like the wolf section. But I was like, okay, never mind. So I think it came up pretty nice. But now I'm going to go with the Maybelline Concealer. You guys know that I use this just to cover my pimples. My skin is going back to normal finally, and after that just blended it with my fingers. Now for this Halloween look, I wanted a foundation that would be more full coverage. I use this One Size Turn Up the Base BBB Cream by Patrick Starr. I'm applying it first with my fingers just to have the exact amount, not too much, not too little, and then start blending it in on my skin. But as you guys can see right now, it's not my actual skin tone. I feel like the whole sun has not go out of my face, so I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow just to darken a little bit, and then just add a little bit of glow. Even though that was not the intention, I wanted to have like a matte foundation, a matte face, but it's okay. So after that, I'm going to use some concealer, of course just this side of my face, because the other one, it's going to be the wolf. And I'm also using a heavier concealer, which is the e.l.f. Camel full coverage concealer. Now I'm going with the Tres Luce palette, the I Am palette, using the light eyeshadow, and this is of course just to set the concealer that I apply on my lids. After that, I'm using the eyeshadow Bella to start doing this transition crease eyeshadow. Like I said, this is gonna be like a cute simple makeup look for this Halloween makeup look. And now I'm using the eyeshadow Unica, and I'm gonna start putting it on my lid. At the beginning, I was just gonna do it like the middle to the outside part of my eye, but I decided why not do the whole lid. After that, I'm doing a cat eye. Not too long, not too short, not too thick, and also not too thin. Now I'm applying some mascara to start prepping my lashes before the falsies. Now I'm using this color Poderosa, which is a dark blue, like a navy blue underneath the eyes. I don't know what's going on with the blues for the Halloween looks. Now I'm gonna go with the Paris BH Cosmetics palette using the color CN, and I'm doing this line. I don't know why I wanted to do it, just I don't know, I just wanted to do it. And you guys know all the graphic liners, it's going very trendy. So now I'm putting some falsies and now putting some mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm putting some contour on my face. Like I said, it's going to be the cute makeup look. We're almost done just contouring my face. After that, I decided to go with a highlighter. I'm using the Ren Beauty, just adding a little bit more than what I usually use, because like again, this is a Halloween makeup look. Now on the other side, I started applying mascara. I like in the middle part of it, I regret it because I was like, oh, why did you do this first? But now I'm doing this half part of my face, and as you guys can see, I didn't go all the way half of my forehead because I didn't want to do like half face traditional Halloween look that you guys we know that we see it a lot. I just wanted it to be more, I don't know, just different. So I started using this gray face paint all of that section for the wolf part. Now I'm adding a second coat. And now a third coat. Now I decided to get again the eyeliner just to concentrate on the inner part and make it kind of long, a different eye look for the wolf part. Again, using Tres Luce, using the eyeshadow Fuerte, doing applying it underneath the eyes, this eyeshadow, applying some falsies, and I'm starting doing the hair of the wolf for the wolf, and I wanted to start this as my guide point. So after that, I started applying eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow, basically all the way on the line of the wolf part, and I kind of liked it. So after that, I started just basically doing hair underneath the eyes, going around the eyes of the wolf, and basically I have fun with it. It's just like practice when you start doing it for the first time. Now on this part, I forgot to put some brow glue, so I used the NYX, the brow glue on the side of the cute makeup look on the face. And after that, I started using black paint and going over the black eyeshadow. And basically, that's what I'm going to do for the rest of this part of the wolf section of the face. And starting with this black paint is basically do wherever you want to do hair for the wolf. To add something extra, I decided to use white paint on basically around the eye, and I feel like it gave this extra touch to the wolf. So for the lips, I used the Glam Black Frosted Flakes lip liner, and also use its lip gloss because I think it was so cute. I felt it's like a glossy white shimmer gloss for the lips. I thought it was perfect for this makeup. Now I'm gonna go with the Sour Patch Kids Morphe palette using Red Berry, which is this red eyeshadow, and I was like, you know what, why not do the scratches, like, you know, like the wolf just scratch your face, or you basically scratch your face. I don't know, but I thought it was a cute idea, an extra touch. So I'm just blending with this red eyeshadow, also using some concealer to make the dimensional part of the scratch of the wolf. So basically that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick Halloween makeup look, transforming it into wolf. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.